I have been trying to organize a family vacation for quite some time.
Okay.
And it just never seems to happen.
Okay.
We're a big group, and it's a little rough to get everybody's schedules together.
Okay.
So is it logistics and finance, or just logistics?
It's both.
Okay.
It's both. Yeah, it's a little of both. We're a big group, so the financial part of it is a little rough.
Right.
But of course, the schedules are also rough.
Of course.
3 kids,
Okay.
boyfriends, girlfriends. It's hard.
Okay. Look, this is really simple. Number one, you need to get it into a calendar. Instead of, you know, saying, oh, we're going to do it sometime in the future, at the start of the year, particularly the family celebration, bring the parties together and get some dates in a calendar, number one. Then use technology. Start a WhatsApp group for everyone so everyone can communicate and get dates together. And there are 2 fantastic apps that I use and love.
Okay.
The first one is called Award Wallet. And I fly a ton. This app amalgamates in one place all of your frequent flyer programs, all of your credit card awards,
That's what I was
all
gonna
of your
ask. I'd
hotel
like to
stuff.
use loyalty points,
All-
credit card points.
And you can put your whole family into this one app. And in our case, it tells you when points are going to expire. It tells you what the upcoming promotions are. It's awesome.
So
And
between all of you,
Yeah.
the larger the group, the bigger the benefit with that app.
That's
Right.
exactly it.
Right.
Number 2, there's a second app that I live by. Last year, I was on 51 flights last year.
God.
I travel a massive amount. I use an app called TripIt, and this app, when you get a confirmation from an airline or a hotel, you simply forward that email to TripIt, and it adds it to your personal itinerary. If your flight's delayed or there's updates, they'll send you an alert, and you can share all of this information on both apps with
So it's like
anyone.
having an assistant.
It's better than having an assistant.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Try that.
I will. Thank you.